Hey guys, if y'all are looking for a good multimeter and don't want to pay a whole lot, Klein's got a deal right now. $32.88 for this kit. This multimeter is category 3 600, so this will do anything around your house pretty reliably. Comes with an outlet tester and a non-contact voltage detector. So $32.88, I just checked on Amazon and it is $39.96. So y'all head on out to Home Depot and pick you up a new Klein multimeter kit. $32.88, can't beat it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for all our future videos. Thanks, have a great day.